Welcome to StockMarketFunding.com. We got entries right down here as we sold up on that gap and we came down. We put a consolidation with a 3 and a 6 and a 9 with an engulfing bar breakout. And that 10-minute period moving average down here. Once it stops going down and starts to tick up, and there's that MACD tick. And the thing about it is, this is how we find that on the dip that we would still buy that consolidation, because that these numbers are improving and that percent DS is working laterally up off of that 14.65, 15.42, 24.94, minus 25 CCI. Last candle was minus 106. We got a 184.48 in that blue line. That's that 10-minute period moving average. So that means if this holds, that means that this bottom consolidation has strength. Let me say it again. Let me say it again, and let me blow up the chart. Here is the chart, and knowing when to buy the dip, and knowing if that consolidation is weak or strong, and what goes into that, as the new SMF Pro trading students are learning how to get that entry. As they were taught today, Goldman had a slight gap down to that consolidation with the move. And what was the key aspect of the trade was that consolidation weak or strong, using the SMF Pro Trading platform that we have. Something you haven't seen, it's not on the tape. If I were you, I'd come visit us today, figure that one out. Now, as we know that the 10-minute period moving average is starting to firm and hold. We know that we've got a double tick on that MACD. So if I come back down in here, yeah, I can protect my cost of doing business, which is a commission, and I can also know that this consolidation has got some legs to it, and I'd be a dip buyer down in here. And you've been given a gift, once again, home to the professionals, home to the beginner, home to everyone alike in the SMF Pro Trading School, which happens to be a year long, by the way, as we kind of whipsaw. We're in an options expiration. We did that nice trade on that nice Google trade, and traders are learning how to interpretate the market maker activity with the bid and the access of direct access trading and everything that comes off buying that lateral right move. And as they stay in their trade, they would know now that all of their little indicators that they're being taught how to use is that if those indicators do not go lower than where the consolidation is, that the pullback has got legs. They also know if the 10-minute period on the 3-minute chart is not declining in price, that they could buy and add more shares within that consolidation. And you can see that their orders were right down over here, and that's right around 184, somewhere 184.05, 184.10, and the SMF Pro Trading students were working together as a team trader, and they were calling these entries out, and this is why they get the success. And that Goldman is finally trying to confirm that low consolidation above the 10-minute. The 10-minute was declining. Now it's flattening out, as they're told, and they've been trained all week about how to buy here and sell up here back to the public, because they're actually true market maker operators buying and selling for a living, and their livelihood depends on these entries and these exits so that they can have a paycheck.